Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Facebook setting, and today's video title is guys how to turn on birthday notification on Facebook account. Friends, you want to turn on birthday notification on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to turn on birthday notification on Facebook account one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to turn on birthday notification on Facebook account. Tap on your Facebook friends. After tap on Facebook friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, you want to use Facebook notification setting and you want to use birthday notification on your Facebook account. How to turn on? First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook setting. After turn on guys Facebook setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. So friends, on your Facebook account, personal detail setting, password security setting you want to use, so you can use it. So friends, notification setting you want to use, if you tap here, so you can use notification setting. What notification you will receive: tag, comment, reminder, update from friends, more activity about you, friend request notification, people you may know. Notification setting friends you want to use, so you can use. So friends, you can see birthday notification setting is off. You want to use Facebook birthday notification on your ID, so you can use it. So friends, you want to allow friends, you can see these are notification about your friend's birthday. Here is an example friends, you can see, suppose he is your friend, your friend name is Harsh. So Harsh has a birthday today, wish her the best. So friends, you want to use, so you can allow. After allow friends, you can see this tab interface where you receive this notification, push notification, email and SMS, so you can on and you can off. So friends, after turn off birthday notification friends, you can see birthday notification is on. And now friends, you can check here, you can check your birthday notification on your Facebook account. And you want to off, you don't want to use birthday notification on your Facebook account. So friends, you can turn off birthday notification on your Facebook only. If you tap here, so friends, you can see turn off birthday notification you don't want to use. So right side tap here, birthday notification will off on your Facebook account. And if you tap here, so birthday notification is okay. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you now have any problem on your Facebook account? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.